Let's make this amazing paneer curry recipe. Start with 2 onions and different colors for pepper. I will cut this in medium square pieces. I will take just few bulbs from these onions and I will cut those into square medium pieces as well. We are going to use the remaining onions later in the video. Let's cut our paneer into square medium pieces. Start with some cooking oil. Add a pinch of salt, pinch of red chili powder and a pinch of turmeric powder. While these are getting shallow fried, let's prepare the ingredients for the curry. Finely chop your remaining onion. Use 2.5 tomatoes, a small piece of ginger and few cloves of garlic. I will also use 2 green chilies which are mainly for the spiciness. We will make a fine puree from this ginger, garlic and tomatoes. Take out these in a bowl and keep it aside. And we will start the cooking in the same oil. You can add more oil if required. 1 black cardamom, 1 bay leaf, 2 to 3 cloves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, For a fine curry, you have to cook these onions really well. Cover it to speed up the cooking process. If your onions are too dry, you can add some water. Once your onions start turning brown, add 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of spicy red chili. I am adding some more water. Let's add the tomato puree now. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover it and cook until it releases all of its water. Keep checking after every few minutes. After around 5 to 7 minutes of cooking, you will reach this stage where most of the water is evaporated. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 3/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. Let's cover it again. So once your masala is fully dry, add 1 cup of water. Try to add warm water here and cover it for few minutes. Let's add our paneer, onions and peppers here. We will cover it and let it cook for 5 more minutes. I am adding garam masala and few tablespoons of fresh cream. Use fresh cilantro for the garnishing and this recipe is ready. Let me know which recipe would you like to see next, and you can check out other paneer videos on my channel. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.